Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of Google Sheet. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome or Safari, then open up sheets.google.com and now log into your account. Now open up the sheet in which you want to transfer the ownership. So I have a sample sheet here, so I'm going to click here. Okay, so this is a sample sheet here. Now what you're going to do is click on share button at the top right hand corner. Okay, click there. Now it will open up just like this one. Now enter the name of the person whom you want to transfer the ownership. Suppose I'm going to enter this one. Now under the roles you can click on editor here. Okay, click on editor, then click on send. Now it will send an invitation to the following person to accept your invitation. Okay, once you are done, again click on the share button at the top. Okay, now the person that you just added, in front of it editor is written. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on this little arrow here, and now you can see an option is coming, transfer ownership. Click here. Now on this one you can see a send invitation option is coming. Okay, you'll be the owner until this person accepts ownership. So click on send invitation. Now it will send an email. Okay, so that person needs to accept it, and the transfership and the ownership will be transferred to that particular person. So you can see pending owner option is also coming. Click on done. So this is how easily you can transfer the ownership of Google Sheets. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.